Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will learn how to paint a chrysanthemum for saree borders, then lotus, and how to paint a face with blade. Children, don't try this blade art. Now I have taken round brush number 6 and I have taken color orange, and you can mix little crimson for a darker orange shade. For leaves I have taken olive green. When you are painting on cloth, take medium number 1 and mix in the color, and if you are doing wet on wet, you can spread medium number 1 and then do the coloring. I teach online, offline professional courses. Those interested can join. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. I teach freehand fabric painting and tanjo on fabric, basic and advanced courses. I have many courses, advanced and basic, starting from 1000 onwards. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Those interested can contact me. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white, and you can buy that and follow my videos. For the center of the flower chrysanthemum, I have done little wet on wet green. Then I am using Frolica white, the 3D liner for dots. Now this is the second video of lotus. In this I am doing the outline with olive green, and you can use 6 number round brush or 8 number. And then for wet on wet, you can use medium number 1 when you are doing on cloth. As on paper you can use water, but on cloth you have to use medium number 1. You can paint this design for saree borders and on tops. For lotus flower, you can use metallic red or light pink of fabric colors. Now this lotus design is over, and now I'll show you the blade painting. You have to take colors on the tile. Children, don't try this art. You can draw the face with pencil and then take the color with blade from the tile can see my other videos, as I have put all the colors on the tile and then I take with the blade, and you can try this by drawing simple designs first with pencil, then with the colors you can do. You can make A4 size or A3 size blade paintings and frame and decorate your home with these type of paintings. They look very beautiful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.